While scrolling down my YouTube channel, I noticed that I have not introduced myself to you guys. Welcome, my name is Liz. I moved to Philly a few years ago. I do post content about lifestyle, things to do in Philadelphia. I also post travel content. A big disclaimer, I'm not a 5 a.m. or 7 a.m. girl. I've tried, that did not work for me, and I made peace with it. Usually in the morning, first thing I do is going to the gym. That won't be happening today. It's really cold outside. I'm done with the shower. It's not time to take care of my skin. Let's do my face. I've been experiencing lots of breakouts since I got back from Arizona, and because of that, I'm being really careful with what I put on my face. This is my OOTD for today. It's a little wrinkled. I didn't get time to iron it. It's now time for me to do my makeup. Here are all the products I use on my face. I recently started color correcting my skin just to make it even. So I'll go in with the orange on my MAC Cosmetic. I don't use foundation either. I just use concealer. So it just dawned on me that I don't have my setting powder. I think it's in the room. Let me go get it. These are the perfumes I'm going to be wearing. I'm mixing Poison by Miss Dior and Jo Malone. I'm all ready. Now I'm all done. I'm about to head out. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of video, if I should make more of it.